Holy crap. We're just south of the tornado warning here in Florida. And holy crap, it came and it came fast. I cannot believe it. I have no ride to go literally just due north because nobody's home of all times. But holy crap, this is all I could get. But it's a decent storm. Not gonna lie, it really is a decent one. But like, holy crap, the wind is whipping like crazy. Over there, the wind is really going. It's just, look at the wind. Like, this, oh man. I need to get a license. Eventually. I didn't see anything really too bad. But it's kind of a rain situation where there's just rain and rain and rain and you're not going to see anything. I think they probably canceled it by now because it started to gust out, but whatever. It was something at least. I finally got something near me. Cooling down a little bit. I wish I had an umbrella. I don't know if there's an umbrella somewhere. This gives me a wide view, I can see, but trees there, trees there, trees there, and trees there kind of block my view a lot. So like, if only those trees weren't there, I could see something actually. I could have saw something there, I could have saw something there, I could have saw something there. Like, sometimes trees are annoying. It's Florida for you. Some strong rain, but nothing really too much. I think it's calmed down a little bit, at least. It calmed down pretty much, like, not bad. So I'm just gonna wait. Never mind. It's continuing. Oh, I need like a fucking umbrella or something. I don't know how to get it without my dog escaping, because my dog likes to escape under storms. Fun fact. The dog. Woo. I'm getting inside it. Oh man. I really need to get like one of those cans that go on top of the house, so I can look around without having to look through trees. I hope that will work, because this is ridiculous. Once I get my license, I'm gonna definitely do some stuff. Go north. Oh, I need a better camera too. I need like one of those waterproof ones. And I could just get a GoPro. I already have a GoPro. It's just not kind of not in use right now. Oh, this rain is making me happy. Some lightning. That's nice. I really wish I could have got this thing. Like, it was so possible for me to just get a quick ride up the street real quick so I could see something, but I guess that didn't happen today. Not today. Not for a while, I guess. Gotta hope for, you know, something in the summer months or something. I think, is this the only risk? I think it is. It's the only risk, which sucks. I think it's over. Yeah, pretty much it's passed. It's pretty much passed, so I'm just gonna end this video here.